Task 10 and the last task in Lab 1, advertise a default route in ISIS process 1 on PE3. On PE3, we will advertise a default route in the ISIS to be received on PE4. PE3 is the level 1, level 2 ISIS router. This is the router that must be configured with a default route to be advertised to PE4, because PE4 is level 1 router and the level 1 router is not able to receive all details outside of its area. So having a default route on PE4, all traffic received with unknown destinations to be forwarded using the default route to PE3. This is the script needed on PE3, system view, ISIS1, default route advertise, always level 1, 2. This is the commands that has to be done on PE3 so that PE3 is able to send a default ISIS route to PE4. Before doing that, on PE4, I'll check the ISIS route using display ISIS route command. And here on PE4, we don't have any default route. I will also check the display ISIS LSDB verbose on PE4. This is to check the LSDB, the link state database on PE4 for ISIS. Here from PE3, we don't have any default route advertised. Let's copy the prepared script for PE3 and paste it into PE3. Go to PE3, paste, and on PE4, I'll check again display ISIS route, and I can see a default route advertised from PE3 from nexthop 10.0.0.25. I'll copy this IP and search it into PE3, display IP interface brief, include the copied IP address, and this IP address is configured on Ethernet 100 on PE3. On the network topology, it's Ethernet 100, which is connected to PE4. Back again to PE4, and I'll check the LSDB again using command display ISIS LSDB verbose, and I can see here IP internal 0.0.0.0. So the LSP from PE3 carries a default route.